Hi, this is Julie meeting my sister. My sister is visiting us from out of the country, and Julie's very, very sweet to her. Julie, right? Yeah? She's very, very sweet, very cute. Do you want to pick her up and just walk around? She's very, very gentle and, very medium, small in size, so she can be easily picked up and carried up. Yeah? Oh, go for a walk? Okay. Walk. That's good. She's doing really well. My sister just met her and, got her on a leash and start walking. Hey Nance, why don't you come sit over here? It's really dark today because it's pouring out. It's raining really hard. Okay, maybe just sit here. We can have a quick look. Yeah? Good girl. Good Julie. That's a good girl. Yeah? Hi, beautiful. She's very cuddly. Yeah? Good dog. Okay. Yeah, you want to go play with the dog? She's really good without the dog. She wants to go upstairs and play with him. Julie, let's have a good look at you. Bye-bye.